Years ago, you had to be a trained professional to use a large format printer, and they used to cost tens of thousands of pounds. Nowadays, you can pick up an A1 plotter for under £1,000, and they're as easy to use as an inkjet printer you might have at home. So instead of paying £3 or £5 with a copy shop, you could print that same plan or drawing yourself on a printer like this for about 20p. The iPF670 and the iPF770 are the most popular printers in Canon's plotter range, and they're identical except for the size. So the 670 allows you to print up to A1, and the iPF770 allows you to print up to A0. And these two models have attained a massive reputation in the market for being the best value plotters for your money. So let's take a look at some of the reasons why. Unlike some of the competitor models, these machines take business size ink cartridges, which are a massive 130 millilitres each. So it's like you're buying your ink in bulk, and that brings your cost per print way down. And it means that you're not changing ink cartridges as often. And thanks to a unique sub-ink system, you can even change these cartridges whilst the machine is printing. Something else you don't have to change as often is the printhead. Canon devices come with a single printhead which is designed to last the life of the machine, and it even comes with its own 12-month warranty. The top loading system gives you easy access to the paper rolls from the front of the machine, which means that you don't have to pull the printers away from the wall in order to change the paper rolls. So you take the old roll off, stick the new roll on, and these machines have been really well engineered to the point where Canon have designed a dampening system to prevent you from damaging the loading mechanism if you accidentally drop a heavy paper roll. Feed the paper into the top, feed it in, and the machine takes over the rest of the loading sequence for you. Most plotters come with a simple basket which simply catches your drawings as they come out and rolls them up in the bottom. The 670 and the 770 come with a unique basket design which can also neatly stack your drawings at varying sizes. In terms of connectivity, both machines come with an Ethernet port for network printing, which means that everybody in the office can print to them. And they also come with a USB cable for direct printing from one PC or laptop at a time. And although they're not actually Wi-Fi, you can print wirelessly to the devices by installing them on your network. So in some offices you may have a network point which looks like this, and in other offices you may have a wireless router which looks like this, and it's just a case of connecting the machines with an Ethernet cable and installing the drivers as a network printer. And to prove this, I'm going to print wirelessly from my iPad. So you can open up any PDF in, say, Adobe Reader, and when you're ready to print, you hit the Open In link, and you can use the IPF print application, which is downloadable from the App Store. Once you're in here, you have access to all of your printers that are on the network. You can change the print settings from the quality to fast, standard, high definition. Do you want to print in color or monochrome? You can select your paper size, A1, A0. We're just going to select A1 for the time being. And things like the orientation, so is it landscape or portrait? And how many would you like to print? Well, when you're ready, you simply hit print. And if, by the way, you're in an office environment where it's not possible to locate the plotter next to a network point or your wireless router, you can purchase a pair of these mains network adapters, and you'd locate one near the plotter and connect it, and you'd locate the other one next to the router, like so, and connect it, and it's as easy as that. And if you've got any questions, you can give us a call. As well as all of those fantastic features, the machines are actually really easy to use as well. It's just a case of opening a document and hitting File Print just like you would any other printer, except instead of printing A4 or A3, you can print up to A1 or up to A0. And the machines come with some fantastic value-added software as well. So if you're struggling to read spreadsheets, for example, you can blow them up to the full width of the machine using the Microsoft Office plugin. And Canon's Poster Artist software enables you to create really professional-looking posters and banners and signs for your office. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any further questions, do feel free to give us a call and speak to a friendly member of our team.